These are Oakley Eye Jacket frames. Don't worry, they normally come with arms, but for the purpose of this demonstration, they have none. But I'm going to show you how to remove and replace both lenses. First thing you're going to do is pull upward or pull outward on the upper portion of the frame while pushing downward on the inside of the lens. Again, you're going to pull outward while pushing downward, just like that. Now, next step in replacing the lenses is to take your lens and take the far side of it and slide it into the grooves on the far side of your frames. You line it up and just slide. Again, just slide and then push the remaining portion into its grooves. Now, sometimes it doesn't fit properly, so what you can do is take 2 fingers underneath and 1 finger on top to just give it a push, and it should pop into place. Again, far side of the lens into the far side of the frame, line it up, slide, and just push. And that's it.